Yeah, flat as a pancake, flat. We go through some valleys.
But it's perfect weather today. It's like 70, 75.
Yeah.
72.
We have a tailwind. We did 104 miles yesterday, so it's nice to have an easy day. We are about to cross into Minnesota, our 5th state of the trip. North Dakota has treated us well. On the western side of North Dakota, there are some rolling hills and some desert-like climates and environments. But toward the east side, it looks more flat and green. Not really too much to see, but the weather's been treating us very nice throughout North Dakota, and I'm excited to be in Minnesota very soon, in probably about 10 miles. So, thank you, North Dakota. It was very nice meeting you. Hey, we are in Minnesota. We just crossed that river. I think there's no sign that says welcome to Minnesota, but I mean, I think there are.
And this place too, or
Behind the scenes of route planning,
This is where we get on
Ellen
the
has
fair.
rosy
So,
cheeks
like,
and
here
she's
would be
scratching
the
her head.
Cool.
Venus Point for a
But look at all the work and all the X's. It's a lot of trial and error. And Elle also has her journal pages out. Today's adventure with Annie, we are in Aldi and we are shopping for another week / another couple days of our cross-country bike trip. This is our first Aldi of the trip and we are in Minnesota. We started in Washington and we're headed to Maine, so we're about halfway done with the trip and we just got to our first Aldi. I am so excited because Aldi is super cheap and we're just really excited to just splurge. Definitely not.
No?
Fully cooked. Keep refrigerated. What is this? Oh, it's
What do
turkey.
you want for dinner tonight?
Yeah, we can have turkey. Okay, dinner tonight, we're about to have turkey breast. Delicious. Ellen's looking for some pretzels. Oh, these cookies look so good. Okay, moving on. Our haul is done. Time to try and fit it all in the bikes. I got some strawberries for us. And we're gonna make chocolate chip, pretzel, raisin, dried fruit Chex Mix. All of our dried fruits, some bagels, peppers. I think that's everything. You got a cucumber? Oh goodness.
I think so. I hope so.
Oh. Oh goodness. No, those. These are empty. We're planning on making our Chex Mix in them. This is full of food.
We have 5 miles
Food. 10 cucumber. And then a lot of my food is also in this pan here, like with the bananas so they don't get smushed. But
check out my bread net.
Oh my gosh, what's it called?
It's my bread net. This bread is perfectly secure without being smashed.
Wow. Give it a little montage. And then John Mark also has all of his food. He likes to call his bike, what do you call your bike?
Salem Joe.
Salem Joe, and he does not like to have a trash bag in the back because he thinks that looks bad. Which it might, but we only have about 5 miles and then we're gonna be organizing the park for lunch.
Look at that. Look at that garbage bag. It's huge.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna need another one. Of course, the day I film is the day it looks the worst.
It looks the best it's ever looked.
I mean, my bike might look the worst it's ever looked.
You know it's
without
big when you have.
the bread
Hey
bag.
guys, you know it's big when you have to make an extender on your bungee. Wow, this is just awesome.
That looks like
It
a
looks like
full.
a big chocolate chip. Like, hey, Ellen's is
The
not
screen.
much better. We look so crazy.
Freaking awesome! Look at this! Like, how much cooler can you get? Okay, on the bright side, mine's full of air as well. Like, this is all air. I can just
Air.
Yep.
The whole thing.
the whole thing.
Why did you fill your bag with air and then strap it on like that?
Because if she crashes into a lake, she'll float.
That's like
She'll float.
It'll be perfect.
Oh, this is where the peppers are. Honestly, it's just like, it's just a struggle until you eat all the food, and then it's like, wow, it feels so good to like not have as much food. But then you go grocery shopping again and it happens all over.
yeah. This is just for 2 days too, which is the ridiculous thing.
Ellen and I's food is definitely for more than 2 days. We got a lot of food.
Mine will last a while.
Yeah.
So to you, Aldi.
Thank you, Aldi, for sponsoring this video. We truly appreciate it. John Mark, who else sponsored this video?
This video is also sponsored by Breadnets.
Bread-
Breadnets.com. Go get your bread nets.
The cherries were in her front right pannier, like in the strap, and now she has to hold them. We have 5 miles into a park, and then Ellen has an interview, and we're gonna eat lunch. So we are almost there, so that we don't have to carry all this food in a very disordered manner. The Santa sack made it to the park, all in one piece. Guys, look how crazy this view is. Oh my gosh. Yesterday we were in North Dakota and it was dry, and now we are in Minnesota and it is gorgeous. Like the lake, oh, it reminds me of home, of the Great Lakes. So now we're gonna organize our food. Elle has a job interview on the phone, which is the main reason why we stopped. And it's also almost noon, so we're gonna eat lunch and just like organize, maybe go put our feet in the water or something and just like relax. We only have 40 more miles to go today until we're at Alexandria. So yeah, let's get organizing. John Mark's curse is having wasps, dust, bugs, anything that he doesn't want in his food is always in his food. Let me see it.
There's always something living in my food. The wasp is right there.
Whoa, there it is.
It's back for more.
Well, all right, this is all of Ellen and I's food. So this is for 2 people. This will last like a week, like a very long time, longer than we needed, because we can stop at grocery stores every like 2 to 3 days, but it was Aldi, so we just got excited. So we got some protein bars. These we did not buy at Aldi because we had already had them. Pretzel sticks and some banana chips. Throughout this food vlog, you will see a lot of fruit chips because Ellen was inspired by another biker and they had fruit chips. So we're gonna make
A very handsome biker.
yes. Do you want to expose his name or no? Okay. His name was Lee and Ellen thought he was cute. Anyway, he had fruit chips, so we're gonna make a kind of, what's it called, like a Chex Mix kind of? But peppers, some turkey, like pre-cooked. We're gonna chop it up and put it in our pot tonight. Some cherries, we're gonna eat those right now. Raisins, not sure why she got those, not a fan. But some chocolate chips for the Chex Mix. Mangoes, I absolutely love kiwi. Life hack, eat them like an apple and it saves you a lot of time and effort. You don't have to peel them. We had already had this apple. We actually forgot to buy apples, but I love cream cheese. Some fully cooked brats. You can put these with noodles and perfect dinner. Green peppers, bananas. This was a splurge. Usually we do not get bananas because they don't travel well, but cucumber, honey. This is great for sweetening everything. hummus, but Aldi had black bean dip, so that'll do. We already had some rice, some soups, already had PB&J, which we usually do not keep on stock. We always have peanut butter though. Garlic salt, we've had this since Washington, and it's like half gone. We have some oatmeal and some cocoa wheat. Love that for breakfast. Taco seasoning, bagels. I love bagels. Some tortillas, some 99-cent graham crackers. I just could not pass this up, and only a lot more dried fruit for the Chex Mix. It's not actually Chex Mix. It's more like a, what, fruit salad? I don't know what to call it, but here's some granola, some avocado. This was a steal. So, that was our food haul. It was a big one. It was a big one. John Mark, are you gonna lay out all your food or no? He's a little upset because there's wasps in his sandwiches. And he's a little bit upset. It's his curse of this entire trip. Yeah. But for lunch today, I think I'm gonna have a bagel and some cream cheese because this is nice and cold and it won't be cold for long. Bagel, cream cheese, kiwi, cherries,